Here, through clause 11 of the prospectus defines, in clause 11 it defines whether my father was working in the government of Punjab, posted in Punjab. All that will not govern the case with respect to submission when we are looking at a scheduled caste candidate. Because very genesis, your lordships know, in 341, in relation to that state, the expression of 341, and for the purpose of the constitution. Your lordships examined that in Mari, Constitution Bench judgment, that these people are residents of this place, a group, a tribe, a race picked up from this place, and they will be entitled to benefit in that.
The facts are that the grandparents migrated from the area falling in the state of Punjab.
Yes, my lord.
In 1990.
1990.
And mother and father have been issued scheduled caste certificates by the state of Punjab.
Punjab, yes.
And now you are seeking?
In Punjab, not in Haryana. Otherwise, this is the only efficacy it has. For me, as the progeny, this is the only efficacy it has. If I were claiming in Haryana, no. Answer eventually no.
And why have you been denied in Punjab now?
For the reason of the definition in clause 11.
Can you just show us that?
Yes, my lord. And that's page, my lord, running page 20, 12
page 9?
of 12 of the impugned order, my lord.
Right, that is that page.
Extracted below.
Clause 11?
Yes, my lord, 11.
Let us see that, the eligibility of the candidate.
The eligibility of the candidate for state quota is as under. The candidate should be citizen of India. The candidate must have passed 10 plus 1, 10 plus 2 from the state of Punjab, or the candidate should have been born in the state of Punjab, or the candidate must be a permanent resident in the state of Punjab. But if that stopped here, I would have been okay. Because I am definitionally, as per scheduled caste and the notifications issued by government of Punjab and the government of India, I would have qualified.
And this is all or, right? So it's either.
Either. I have.
So it should be either born in the state of Punjab?
Yes.
Where were you born?
But I was born in Ambala, Haryana.
So you don't fulfill that.
I'm not in B. I'm not covered in C. I've not done my 10 plus 1, 10 plus 2 from Punjab. I'm not born in Punjab. I'm talking of the petitioner, my lord.
Right.
I'm submitting vis-a-vis the petitioner. Lord, but D is good for me. The petitioner shall be a permanent resident in the state of Punjab. Now, by definition.
How are you a permanent resident in the state of Punjab?
Lord, because, Lord, your lordships take the view that when we are talking of scheduled caste, how that list is born in 1950. And the instructions issued are that the progeny from that, whether they are moved out from the state, the progeny from those, the touchstone, my lord, is this, my lord, is my respectful submission. That kindly see 1950 as to when I'm Ramdhari, when Ramdhari were born on the list, presidential list, when. That is 1950, my lord, in our case. Lord, now in 1950, my parents were there in Punjab. That will determine, that is the all-important.
No, but you know, insofar as permanent resident,
yes,
the High Court notes in para 3.5
yes, madam,
that the expression permanent resident has been defined in the note appended to clause 11.
Yes, madam.
As per the petitioner,
yes,
migrated persons and their progenies migrated to various other states,
yes, madam,
could be exempted from fulfilling clause 11. So you migrated from Punjab to...
My parents migrated. I was born in 2005 in Ambala, Haryana. My parents migrated.
From Punjab to Haryana.
In 1990, when there was terrorism, they migrated. Now kindly see the instructions.
Migrated, okay. It
Yes,
is
Lord.
significant to note that the petitioner neither fulfills condition B, nor C, nor D.
Yes. D for the reason, my lord. D is this. Kindly read one further than what your lordships were reading in the definition. D is all right. The candidate must be a permanent resident in the state of Punjab. Now kindly read further, my lord.
The clarification says, thus, those persons who are permanent residents of the state of Punjab,
Yes.
on the date of the notification of their caste, their children, children's children, etc., scheduled castes of the state of Punjab, the state of origin of the said persons for taking benefit of scheduled castes of Punjab. Persons belonging to the scheduled caste tribes of any state, union territory of India other than Punjab, who have come to the state of Punjab from their state of origin, are considered to have migrated. therefore, I am on A and D.
Lord, kindly see the presidential order itself. Lord, it throws light. Lord, kindly, I'm sorry.
Resident. In the note which defines permanent resident,
Yes, my Lord.
where do you fall?
Lord, I would not fall in any of the categories below
Then
the
that's
note.
end of the matter.
Yes, my Lord. There's something to be submitted on that, my Lord. I'm
Permanent
not
resident
in,
of
I'm not in any of the followings after the note, which it says permanent resident in the state of Punjab means this.
And there was no challenge by you to that condition.
I would respectfully submit, I didn't have challenged it, my Lord.
So that means we proceed on the basis that it's a valid condition.
Certainly, my Lord, I'm proceeding on that basis, my Lord. I'm proceeding on that
If
basis.
you don't fall in the definition of permanent residence, how can you get
My
admission?
Lord, for the reason, kindly turn to the presidential order itself. Much before all this has come, the constitution has done it for me. It has defined me as a permanent resident of the state of Punjab. The constitution, the constitutional order, the presidential order of 1950 has done it for me.
No, that doesn't define permanent resident. You have to
It
be.
does, my Lord. It does. My Lord, two things will define that for me. My Lord, may I respectfully respond to what comes from the Honorable the Chief Justice, my Lord. Kindly turn to the presidential order itself, which is PDF page. Lord, the 292 of your lordships, Lord, the PDF page,
Thank you.
the presidential order of 1990. Two things will say that for me, my Lord, that I am a permanent resident. So all this will apply to general category candidates, not to scheduled caste candidates. Kindly see that, my Lord, the language of it. Show that. Show that.
Punjab, nor have you studied there, nor have you resided there.
Yes, my Lord, yes. I'm accepting that and making a submission, my Lord. And I'm saying that the constitution has done it for me. They are trying to undo it.
Purpose of defining who is a scheduled caste, not for the purpose of defining permanent resident.
No,
That's
they
a state function.
The state has done that function and included me, my Lord. Is the next sentence which I'm going to say. Lord, kindly turn to 290. I will.
No, Mr. Thanks.
Lord, permit me to make this submission, my Lord.
No, Mr.
Permit me to
You
make.
know, we're wasting time on a matter where
Kindly-
you know that, you know,
Lord,
he's
permit me.
not born there.
Answer the question from the Honorable Court, my Lord.
Studied there.
Lord, kindly permit me.
Right, absolutely. The High Court is right.
Lord, kindly see this. I'll.
Your grandparents migrated to Punjab. How?
Lord, permit me to.
From Punjab to Haryana.
Lord, permit me to show no more than 2 pages, 2 sentences, my Lord,
Yes.
to answer your Lordship's query.
Yes.
Kindly turn to 292.
Annexure.
That is P23, my Lord, and 292 of your Lordship's PDF paper books, my Lord.
Yes.
That is the 1990 presidential order. Ramdhari is included. I am Ramdhari. What is the language, my Lord? I'm addressing, my Lord, on the question that the permanent residence definition is set by the constitutional functionaries. Kindly see this, my Lord. In exercise of powers conferred by Clause 1 of 341 of the Constitution, the President of India, after consultation with the governors and the Raj Pramukhs of the state concerned, is pleased to make the following order. Now, kindly turn to 2, my Lord. Subject to the provisions of this order, the caste, races, and the tribes or parts or groups thereof, the caste specified in Part 1 to so-and-so schedule, shall in relation to
Oh,
the
this is
state.
not that permanent resident which is to qualify for the domicile requirement.
My Lord,
This
that-
is because there were area restrictions.
Yes.
You will be a scheduled caste if you belong to the caste, plus you fall in that area.
Certainly, Lord.
Later on, 76, the area restrictions are removed.
Not 77 and 16, 2016.
But this is for a completely different purpose.
Now the purpose
That
will.
everybody from that scheduled caste is not, everybody from that caste does not become a scheduled caste, but only if you are residing in that particular district of the
This
state.
gap is filled by the government of India and the government of Punjab for me, my Lord. Very specifically in the one line, my lord. Kindly turn, my lord. That's the next page I requested for.
Haryana.
My lord, I requested.
Punjab government will say
My lord, I requested for 2 pages.
people who have migrated to Haryana now are going to, their children are going to get reservation in Punjab like this.
My lord, I can't get anything in Haryana. I requested for 2 pages. My lord, the other page I'm requesting for
Hello,
is.
we've seen it now. Thank you.
My lord, the state exec.
All right. Now, last matter. Where's the Solicitor General? Item 28.
Lordship is.
Subject to, my lord, their saying that their instructions are,
Yes.
the escrow account has 1 crore 85 lakhs.
No,
As
now
of
figures-
31st August 24, subject.
Yes,
How much is the